At the moment, there are probably two really huge challenges for the airline business. The first one is massive overcapacity on the European market, and this probably won't disappear within a season or two. So this overcapacity will mean a very simple consequence: erosion of the yield. And erosion of the yield will, unfortunately, for some airlines, probably maybe not killing, but really affecting the performance. And effects of this we could observe already this year. There were a few spectacular bankruptcies from this month, BMI Baby closure, another 14 aircrafts being no more serving passengers just because of the overcapacity. I think it's related also to the products they deliver to the market. So the sales strategy should be tailor-made depending on the market airlines are operating. It should be designed the way that passengers will purchase the product airline is willing to sell. And this is not only about pricing policy in itself, because it's not a matter of fooling passengers with £1 fares and then squeezing them for 200 at the day of departure. It's rather introducing something, of course majority of revenue managers will kill me for it, but introducing slightly less steep curve in terms of changing the last seats or last minute sales. I think that's a very good point. Ancillary revenue is a huge driver of the revenue airlines are gaining right now. A couple of years ago, it was a certain amount. After 5 years, ancillary revenue within the airline business grew by 10 times. So it is 1,000%. So it's massive increase, and that's the opportunity you were asking a second ago. I think the best way to distribute ancillaries is let people decide what they are willing to purchase and what they are willing to pay for. Not really force them to pay for something we call ancillary. It's rather to give them the freedom to choose if I want to purchase this additional service and give the airline possibility to sell this add-on. Probably majority of the tools we've got right now in our hands are already used and in service, but I think there is plenty of things to be introduced together. Airlines and with airports. For example, if passengers will decide to take with them too big carry-on luggage, or they purchase too many goods in duty-free area and the hand luggage will exceed the baggage allowance, there should be a possibility, hassle-free check in the luggage even at the gate without affecting the schedule, without affecting the flight performance planned. I think I will repeat myself, but it's mainly the topics. The speakers has been invited to be present here, and the dynamic, however transparent possibility of for us attendants to be part of the majority of the events here, and as well communication with the exhibitors. It's my 5th time being here, and also as a speaker, and I would put it that way. This conference becomes more and more focused on that's what's really crucial for the airline business today, and this is probably one of the few conferences meeting and hitting the most important issues for the airline business at the moment.